come to the inbox here, you verify in the inbox here. So this is how you can get free email for free without using your email to verify any account or any suspective website. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Wolf Tech. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to get free email for free email for your verification of websites and for your verification of any website you have to verify. So in this video, let's head over into the video. Let me teach you the websites you can use to verify your email for free. So first you need to head over to your browser, to your Chrome browser. You're going to type TempMail. So you type TempMail and click on the search button here. Okay, so this is the first website is the one. Click the first website here. I hope you are seeing the first website here. Is the one you should click. So you click on the first website here. So on this website you are going to use their free email to verify your website and verify your account. You can use them for your verifications of email. So here where they are loading, that's where the email is going to appear. Okay, so this email, you click on the copy, then you go and post or paste it on your website or your verification. You're going to verify your email there. Then after you paste it, they'll send you a verification code. Come to the inbox here, you verify in the inbox here. So this is how you can get free email for free without using your email to verify any account or any suspective website. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, put me on post notification, and I'll be bringing you much on this channel. Bye bye.